How to use proxies with MoreLogin. Navigate to the dashboard and choose the plan you want to use. After selecting the desired plan, adjust the country, state, city settings, and then press Update Changes. Open the MoreLogin app and click on New Profile. Click Confirm. Under the proxy information, click on the Edit button to change the proxy type between HTTP SOCKS 5. Go back to the generator and choose between rotating and sticky proxies. For sticky proxies, you can set the session from 1 to 120 minutes. Copy a full proxy line session and paste it in the host port field in the app. It will automatically fill in the other fields. Click Confirm and hit Start. Experience lightning-fast speeds and unparalleled reliability with Lightning Proxy's top-tier residential proxy service.